Welcome back to my channel. Be sure to subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and follow me. Now let's get right into the video. Welcome back, y'all. So today I'm going to show you Kylie's new You're So Money Babe collection, which was for her birthday. And look at this palette, so gorgeous. So I'm going to show you guys swatches first, and then we're going to get into a tutorial. So I'm loving the details on this palette. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous.
I'm just gonna swatch all of the shadows. This one is Time is Money. I apologize for the jacked up nails. This one is Birthday Queen. Oh, this one's pretty. This one is Stacks, which is a really pretty like olive green color. And this one is called 100. Oh, that color's gorge. Okay, next we have On a Budget, which is like, it reminds me of Kylie the lipstick that we just got in this kit, but as a eyeshadow. Oh, that's gorgeous. The next one is a pretty brown shade called Bands. So that is Bands. The next one is called 22, which is like a rose gold. This one is 22. And the next one is called Goal Setter. Where are my goal setters at? Goal Setter. Beautiful. Okay, so the next one is Long Money. Pretty. Work For It. And then Blue Faces. Pretty. Ballin'. The next one is called Ballin'. Then 22 Candles. And then we got Build an Empire. And then Time for Cake. This one is probably my favorite shade. Yep, Time for Cake. And then Breaking Records. Because we all know Kylie is a record breaker. Oh, okay, these are my two favorites. So this is Time for Cake and Breaking Records. I love that.
I think we're gonna dip into Blue Faces, which is that really pretty like brownish nude. I do like Kylie's shadows. They're pigmented and they're easy to work with, and they look beautiful on pretty much all skin tones. So I'm taking my brush and I'm just starting. I love using these types of colors as a transition shade. So I'm just gonna blend it out like this. Oopsies, I dipped into Work For It on accident, so I'll just go ahead and put that here. I didn't mean to put that on, but it looks really pretty. That's Hey, so you can actually shop my entire look down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Whenever you watch one of my videos, I usually have stuff linked for you guys, but I just want to let you guys know really quick. Also, if you're here for the giveaway, keep watching because I'm about to announce it. I'm bringing it out. Okay, of course, you know, girl, you need to blend, blend, blend. So I'm gonna blend this clean. Right here. Just a little, tap it at the top. just a wee bit. Actually need to put a tiny bit more of Breaking Records in my crease area. If you guys are loving this tutorial so far, give me some likes. It definitely helps with the funky algorithm on what color I want to use. I think I'm going to put a little concealer on my eye. Just a little bit. I'm using the same concealer, the Lime Life one. Just putting it here.
I think I'm going to take a little bit of time for cake. I'm going to use my Sigma Eye Shading E55 and some of my Kylie setting spray. I'm just going to use that to wet my brush. Ooh. That's pretty. I'm going to try it with my finger. See if it'll... Okay, so it applies much better with your finger. Just letting it.
Add some of Stacks, that dark olive green. I really want to add that, so I'm going to use my small tapered blending brush just so it's more precise as to where I add it. The matte shades are pretty powdery, which is cool. I'm just going to add a little bit of that color because I don't want to take over the purple. I'm adding it kind of in between that metallic neon green, lime green, and the okay, I'm liking it. I'm loving it actually. I'm just gonna put a little bit more of that Breaking Records color right at the top because I really like that shade. By Beauty Bakery Cake Face in the shade Pro Caffeinating. I love this concealer.
I'm just gonna put a little bit more, just to cover. You should be BFFs on there. Oh my gosh, did you hear that thing? It was moving. Alright, so we're just cleaning up this area. I haven't done a makeup tutorial on this channel in so long, but no more.
Okay. I really love a lot of her stuff, and I do like her setting powder. It's not like my most favorite setting powder that I've ever used, but I do enjoy using it. Actually, while we do the brows, I'm going to use, I don't have a contour by her yet. Do I? Actually, hold on. No, I have two blushes. I have a blush and a highlighter, which I'll use. But I'm going to use Pretty Vulgar's Bronzed V. And I'm going to use my Sigma F40 large angled contour brush. And then I'm going to apply the setting powder underneath it. Ooh. Okay, so one of my friends sent me the Tori Bell magnetic lashes, and I will have her stuff linked, her thing linked below if you're interested in trying them. They're actually really cool. So it comes with a magnetic liner and then lashes that have magnets on them, and then you like attach it to the liner, I guess, and it like, yeah, stays like that. So actually that's what we're gonna do. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows first, and then we're gonna do the liner. I'm gonna use my NARS Creamy Concealer and my Sigma Flat Definer E15 brush, and I'm just going to conceal the brows. I need to, oh, you know what? I have a Kylie concealer, but I got it and I love it. It's this one. It's called Oak. So I'm in the shade Oak, which I really like, but it's actually good for spot concealing, like dark spots on my face. It for brightening, it doesn't brighten because it's the same color as my skin tone. So it doesn't brighten at all for me. I need to get another one just for brightening because I love me some Kylie Cosmetics. As you guys saw, I'm not really a fan of the Body Glow as of today, but I'm gonna give it another chance. That's how I always do. Another fair chance. I do that with all products. I don't just use it once and I'm like, eh. You know what I mean? Like, I always try it again, because sometimes the first time I try it, I don't like it because I didn't use it properly, and then the next time I'm like, okay, I'm obsessed. Does that ever happen to you? It happens to me. Okay, so let's just conceal. Oh, wow, I really need concealed them Jones then. All right, so now I'm gonna use my Sigma. You guys already know I use this so much. I got black like liner all over the words, so you can't even see the words anymore. So this is the Sigma small angled brush E65, and using the Eyebrow. I love this stuff. I need to get all her other brow stuff. This is like, this and the Anastasia Dip Brow are definitely my faves. 100%. Okay, so I'm starting at the front a little. Can you guys see me good, or should I zoom in? These lights, girl, they be killing me. They be killing me. I'm just gonna do a little bit more. A wee bit. Liner. The Tory Bell liner. Not the best applicator, but not the worst. It kind of reminds me of like the NYC. Okay, so this is what the magnetic liner is looking like so far. I'm going to, I actually like it. Like, it's actually a really good liner. Okay, Tory Bell, I see you. Ooh, too much, too much. Now, I know with this stuff, you have to put on 2 coats. So you're supposed to put on 1 coat, let it dry for, I think it's like 10 seconds or something, and then put on a 2nd coat. So I'm gonna let this side dry, do the other side, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have the eyeliner on, and now I'm going to use, so these are called Selfie. Oh, wait. These ones are called Selfie, and they do come with bottom lashes too that you can apply. And then this one is called Ladies Night, which I think these are the ones I tried. Yeah, they are. You can tell. I think I want to try the... Yay! Congratulations, Sarah and Christina. Thank you, everyone who participated. I'm going to be doing another one very soon. But Sarah and Christina, be sure to send me an email. It's linked above, so that way I can get you everything sent. Here's some Money Baby palette and use a little bit of highlighter on my brow bone. I'm going to use... like I have green highlight and that's what it looks like. Stuff. I'm just gonna use a dab. I feel like a little dab will do ya. Dab. And remember the cute packaging inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review and tutorial. I'm gonna do more videos like this. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do full face makeup, so I was like, this is the perfect opportunity. I got the Kylie collection, the ColourPop Rainbow collection, which should be here soon, and then I also got something else, but I got a whole bunch of ColourPop Lipies, which I'm gonna be doing a video on next or soon once my ColourPop one gets here. I got another, oh, the Jeffree Star Part 2 with Morphe. So I have the Jawbreaker palettes, right her. But the other one is coming in the mail any day, and I'm gonna do a side-by-side like review, like what's the difference between the two, because some, like me, when I first saw it I was like, okay, but isn't that almost exactly like the one that they just came out with? But it's not. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and be sure to subscribe to my blog luxlips.com and also to my YouTube, and turn on your post notifications, because otherwise, girl, you might not see my video. Bye.
Hey, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos. Also, follow me, girl, and check out my blog luxlips.com. Mwah.